Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can install iOS 26 public beta in your any iPhone quickly. So without wasting any time, let's jump to the process. So before doing anything, go to the iPhone settings, and here in the general section, make sure you have enough storage space. You need at least 26 minimum free up space, otherwise your iPhone gonna have some problem like boot looping or have 3-minute issues, or your iPhone will corrupt your data. So make sure you back up your iPhone first before doing anything with the updates. So my iPhone is like occupied with 116 gigs, so I do have 10 gigs free only, so I do have to free up some space before moving ahead. Okay, so after that, go to the software update section and you will be able to see that I can see iOS 26 developer beta or public beta section. But if you can't see that, no worries, I'll show you how you can get that. So I'll select on off. In your phone you will be able to see automatic updates. If you are seeing beta updates, then what you have to do, just simply select the iOS 26 public beta. But if you can't see the public beta option, if you can't see beta updates, then what you have to do, just simply jump to the iPhone Safari browser. Here search here iOS 26, or just search here Apple beta. This is the website you gotta go, Apple beta software program. Now open that website, and now you will be redirected to a new one and hit on sign up. You have to sign in your Apple ID with your Face ID, or you can verify your Touch ID if you're using any Touch ID device. So here you go, I will sign in my Apple ID by verifying my Face ID in the phone. Swipe up. If you can't verify your Face ID, you can enter your Apple ID password. Now here in the get started option, you will see enroll your iOS device. Hit on that, swipe up, and you will see blue color button open beta updates here. Now click on that and you will be redirected to your iPhone settings page, just like that. And here you will see iOS 26 public beta, developer beta. I'll select public beta because it's out now. As you go back, then there you go, iOS 26 developer beta. Now it won't say that it needs 26 of GB free space in your phone, but I'm recommending you to get the 26 GB of free space, otherwise your iPhone gonna have some problems. Trust me, I fix phones for a living, I fix technology devices for a living, so I know how they work and what they need to work smoothly, whatever. So make sure you have 26 GB free space in your phone minimum. So this was a whole simple fix. Hope you guys find this trick helpful. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Thank you so much, guys. Peace.